right, Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury?
Yes.
All right, is it unanimous?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
The Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard trial has finally come to an end and a decision has been made. Hey guys, and welcome back to another shared news. We have all of the updates on the Johnny and Amber Heard trial. We gotta get into it, but before we do that, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and you're subscribed to our channel so you're always up to date with all things celeb news. Now, as always, I'm your host, Zachary Reality, and Johnny Depp has won the defamation trial against his ex-wife Amber Heard. Now, this trial has been the talk of the town in Hollywood for the past few weeks as everyone worldwide has been invested, tuning into daily live streams on YouTube or wherever else for updates. I mean, there has been a lot of coverage and talk about this trial. It is very serious. It's been going on, and I'm kind of shocked that it's already over. I thought this would play out another week or two. Now, before leaving for the trial on April 9th, Amber Heard shared to her Instagram that she was going to be offline for a few weeks to face her ex-husband Johnny Depp in court. Now, Amber said that Johnny was suing her for an op-ed which recounted her experience of violence and domestic abuse. Amber says, "I never named him, rather I wrote about the price women pay for speaking out against men in power. I continue to pay the price, but hopefully when this case concludes, I can move on and so can Johnny." So Amber seemed like she was very hopeful, and she also seemed like she wanted resolution for herself and for Johnny since she did mention him. Now, the case has concluded and the jury has came to a unanimous verdict after a 3-day deliberation in favor of Johnny.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes.
As he was awarded $10 million and $5 million in punitive damages. Now, Amber did have a minor victory as the jury awarded her $2 million but $0 in punitive damages. So Amber has lost the trial, and it seems like a lot of the public was rooting for Johnny. I noticed that on Instagram, on social media, that most of the people who were tuning into this trial were Team Johnny. However, Amber is very disappointed that she has lost the case. She has shared to her Instagram story after coming back, for a few weeks she was offline. She shares, "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence was still not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. I believe Johnny's attorneys succeeded in getting the jury to overlook the key issue of freedom of speech and ignore evidence that was so conclusive that we won in the UK. She says, "I am sad I lost this case." Now, Johnny, on the other hand, posted on his Instagram story, and there really is two sides to every story, so we need to read what Johnny is saying, because after his victory, he wrote, "False, very serious and criminal allegations which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content, although no charges were ever brought against me. It had already traveled around the world twice within a nanosecond, and it has had an impact on my life and my career. And 6 years later, the jury gave me back my life. I am truly humbled. My decision to pursue this case, knowing very well the height of legal hurdles that I would be facing, and the inevitable spectacle into my life was only made after considerable thought." He shared he wanted to be an example to his children, and that is overwhelmed by the outpouring of life while acknowledging the judge, jurors, and court staff. Johnny is ready for a new chapter to begin and glad this one is finally closed. So Johnny won the case, and it seems like from Amber's statement that she really does want to stand up for women. However, what I'm getting from Johnny's post is that there was false allegations made. Now, the jury has obviously made the verdict in favor of Johnny, and he is winning and he is celebrating right now, and Amber seems to be very upset. What do you guys think of this case and the verdict? Do you think that Johnny deserved to win? Do you think that Amber deserved more? Are you listening to what she is saying, or are you Team Johnny? There's lots to unpack here, so please tread lightly in the comments. This is obviously a very, very serious case. Let us know what you think. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you head out of here. As always, I'm your host, Zachary Reality, so follow me on my socials at Zachary Reality. Let me know what you guys think of the trial. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.